Hello students, in today's video I will show you how to find the electric field on the axis of a dipole. So here I have drawn a figure of a dipole, that is here the minus charge minus q and here the positive charge plus q, and the separation between the two charges is 2d. Here the center of the dipole is O and any distance from the dipole means the distance from its center. So from the center the distance of two charges are d and d, and we have to find electric field on the axial position P, which is at a distance r from the center O. Now first we define the dipole moment. Here the dipole moment means any of the charges, that is q, into separation between them, that is 2d. Here so P equal to q into 2d, and the dipole moment, it is a vector quantity and its direction is from minus charge to plus charge, that's mean in rightward direction. So as I have taken r as this direction, so here direction of the dipole moment and the direction of r is same, so I have taken r cap as the unit vector multiplied with its magnitude, so it gives the vector form of dipole moment P. Now to find the electric field due to this dipole, I have to calculate the electric field due to this positive charge and electric field due to this negative charge, and using superposition principle, adding these two, I will get the electric field due to this dipole moment. So let us start the calculation. So here electric field due to the positive charge is in this direction, that is this direction. So this is the electric field due to this positive charge. So the electric field due to this positive charge E plus is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into q by the distance between this is r minus d, that is r minus d square. Okay, so this is the electric field. In vector notation it is r cap, that is the direction is in this way. For the minus charge the electric field will be E minus and its direction will be in this direction, and the magnitude of E minus will be less than E plus because the charge are both are same here, but minus charge is 2d distance more distant than the plus charge. So the electric field here will be of less value and it is will be 4 pi epsilon 0 into q by r plus d square, and it is minus r cap, that is in this direction. So these two field when will be added, this gives the electric field due to the whole dipole. So the total electric field E will be E plus E minus. This is the superposition principle. It is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0. If you take q as common, then it becomes 1 by r minus d whole square plus 1 by r plus d whole square. Here I have a minus, sorry, it is minus into r cap, this minus sign. It is equal to q by 4 pi epsilon 0 into r minus d into r plus d whole square, and in the numerator it is r plus d square into minus r minus d square. it is becomes equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon 0 r plus d square minus r minus d square. It's mean 4 into r into d by r minus d into r plus d means r square minus d square whole square into r cap. Now it becomes it is equal to, therefore E equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon 0 into 2 r into 2d into r cap by r square minus d square whole square. Now here I can put this Q here, that is Q into 2d into r cap, and its value is Q into 2d into r cap means P vector. Therefore it becomes 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into 2 into r into dipole moment P by r square minus d square whole square. So this gives the value of electric field due to a dipole 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into 2r P by r square minus d square whole square. Now one point here, if for most of the dipole, for natural dipole always r is greater than d, so in that case I can replace r square minus d square will be very much equal to r square. So therefore this field becomes E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into 2r P by r to the power 4. So therefore electric field E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into 2p by r to the power 3. So this is the electric field due to a dipole, and this is also one. So if in the question D is given, that is separation between the two charge, in that case you have to use this formula. If it is written as a small dipole, in that case you have to use this formula. And one point to be noted that here E is proportional to 1 by r to the power 3. So if you have a charge, single charge or a dipole, in case of charge and in case of dipole, the variation of the field not same, because for charge if the variation like this, then for a dipole this variation is more rapidly change. So if two electric fields are given and it is given that one is for a single charge and other is for a dipole, then here this figure will for a single charge and this figure will for a dipole. So this is the electric field due to a dipole.